Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about 7 ingenious ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Remember, Aladdin magic lamp, the one that had the power to make money anyone wealthy. Well, today we call that thing crypto, and it does quite the same thing. Right investment and patience can actually deliver extraordinary benefits and make you super rich in the long run. We know that what has happened with Bitcoin is something that happens very rarely in history. A person who invested $19,000 in Bitcoins right at the peak of the 2017 bull run. Since then, lots of people are showing their interest in the crypto market and investing. In this video, I will show you that what cryptocurrency are and the easiest way to make money with cryptocurrency with less risk than complex strategies. What is crypto and how does it work? A crypto is a decentralized payment method that you can use to trade online. Cryptocurrency operate on a blockchain, the digital ledger of cryptocurrency transactions, ensuring that the same coin is never used twice. Now coins are mined as computer interrupt complex mathematical intricacies to define the legitimacy of a transaction on the blockchain. Using exchange or Bitcoin wallet apps like Crypto.com, Coinbase, CoinMarket app and BlockFi, users convert dollars into crypto and rely on increase in the value of their investment just like stocks. Cryptocurrencies can lose value if companies no longer accept them as a payment method or if many people try to sell them at all once. Get a crypto wallet for buying, trading and storing. You will require a place to store your crypto or wallet. You can pick a software wallet like an app or a hardware wallet. Most hardware wallets, also known as cold wallet, and easy to recover if you lose them. You can skip these steps by installing an exchange app like Coinbase, CoinMarket, Scape, etc. Below are the steps that you need to follow to separate your account. Download a wallet app, create your account, get SWIFT verification, transfer deposit from the bank account to the crypto wallet. How to invest in cryptocurrency safely? Number 1. Research exchanges. Learn about cryptocurrency exchanges before investing a dollar. These platforms provide a medium to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Know how to store your virtual currency. When you purchase crypto coins, you need to store them. You can choose a crypto wallet to stock up on the exchange or in a digital wallet. Diversify your investment. Diversification is at the heart of any correct investment strategy, and the same is true when investing in cryptocurrency. Prepare for volatility. Cryptocurrency is trending right now, but remember it is still in its infancy. Investing in something new can be difficult, so be prepared. Now there are 7 strategies to make money with cryptocurrency. Number 1 is lending and borrowing. Extra money from your crypto investment by starting crypto lending. Cryptocurrency lending involves the participation of borrowers and lenders and a arrangement between them. Traditional buy and hold. The method of making money from crypto is preferable for people who are ready to take risks. After months or years at a significant overall profit, the asset might be sold compared to the purchase price. Trading. Investing is a long-term venture based on a buy and hold strategies. The crypto market is unpredictable. You require proper technical and analytical skills to be a successful trader. Airdrops. Of all the ways to get free cryptocurrency, airdrops of the highest rate. It is more than you think were worthwhile for most investors. Minings. Mining is an important part of the proof work consensus mechanism and is one of the oldest ways to earn money with cryptocurrencies. Dividends. Another method to get money with your crypto asset is to earn dividends. If you are familiar with investing in stock or bonds, you are probably at least aware of what dividends are. Long term and short term investment, which one is better? What is a long term investment in crypto? Long term investing is a method that typically holds an investment for more than 1 year. And what is short term investment in crypto? A short term investment is a method that is usually held for less than 1 year. Now, what is the conclusion? Analyze market chart before getting into it. Well, after reading this article, you must have got an idea about how to make money with cryptocurrency. It is vital to know the crypto before investing. You should thoroughly study the ups and downs of the market. One thing you must ensure you have your wallet ready before the journey starts. Before picking up the crypto, make sure you watch out for its future in the market. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.